friends, I'm Mo Glover. You may have seen some of my previous videos on how.com where I've cooked southern soul food inspired dishes such as fried green tomato, sweet potato hash, collard green pasta, and a spicy chicken wrap with a summer cocktail. Today I have a special guest with me, my son Zaid. But he's a little fussy when it comes to food, but he loves to help his mom cook. Here's my son. Come here. Introduce yourself. You know who you are, but they don't. Tell them your name.
Hi, my name is Zaim and I like to go to restaurants such as Subway, pizza, and Chinese food, and my favorite is beef lo mein.
Unfortunately, it's hard to get to some of his favorite restaurants now due to the pandemic. So today, I'm gonna make my son's favorite dish, beef lo mein. The ingredients needed to make beef lo mein is, so I have about 3/4 of a pound of cubed steak. Instead of using spaghetti from a box like Zucchini, I wanted to use a vegetable, so I'm using zucchini spaghetti. It's pretty, it's green, and it's giving more vegetables to my son's diet. We also need sprouts and onion, ginger, salt, scallions that are cut about 2 inches, and sugar. And the spices you will need are pepper, a little crushed red pepper, not too much because it's for my son, garlic powder to use on a cubed steak, and low sodium soy sauce. You will also need bell peppers and red peppers. The reason why I'm using bell peppers and red peppers is not only because they taste good, but they're my son's favorite. I think it's because he likes to put them in Subway sandwiches, but I add them to the lo mein, it gives it color and it tastes amazing. Then we have dark soy sauce, rice wine, sesame oil, canola oil, and more scallions, which are cut very small because this is the last part of the dish. So to prepare my beef, sometimes you can just buy steak and cube it. I bought it already cubed, and I wash it and use water and vinegar, and then season it with garlic only, because while cooking, I'm gonna use all these amazing spices, so we don't want it to be too salty. So I'm just seasoning the beef. Just, putting a nice coat, and then I turn it so that it covers completely. And that's it, it's pretty simple. Now let's make the sauce. To make the sauce, you will need 2 separate bowls because one sauce is going to go in while cooking, the other sauce is going to go on after cooking. So the first sauce would be 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, about a teaspoon of sugar, one and a half tablespoons of rice wine, and a little bit of crushed pepper. We don't want it to be too spicy. And then you whisk. I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger. Smells really good. For the second sauce, I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce and a little bit of ginger. This is gonna go on a dish after it's cooked. Very simple. Just mix it. Now we have 2 separate sauces. One that will go on while the beef is cooking, and one that will go on the dish after it's complete. So Z is here to help me prepare the dish. We're going to prepare the meat first, and I'm going to add sesame oil to the hot pan. Okay, so we're gonna wait until the sesame oil gets hot and bubble. You're gonna add a half of the bowl of onions to start. Don't be scared, just put it in there. Good job. Just like this. Not too close to the pan, you don't wanna burn yourself, but perfect, you're doing a good job. Make sure it gets all around the pan. So now we're gonna add the beef. So we're gonna add some salt and pepper. You don't want to make it too salty because we are using soy sauce, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to the beef. Here we go. Okay, Z is gonna add the soy sauce mixture. Okay, you add it to the pan. Thank you, Z. Great job. Not too close to the pan. This is the mixture that has a combination of dark soy sauce, rice wine, crushed peppers, sugar, and ginger. So we're gonna cook it down until all the beef is brown and the sauce gets really thick. Okay, Z is gonna add more onion to the pan. All right. Not too close, remember, because you don't want to burn yourself. Great job. Now we're going to prepare the zucchini spaghetti with the peppers. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil to the pan. Now Z is going to add the bean sprouts. Go ahead. Okay. And now I'm going to add Zaim's favorite bell peppers and red peppers to the pan. You want to add them to the pan? Yes. Okay. Here you go. You are like the best cooking assistant ever. Okay. That looks good, right? And it matches his outfit. So we're cooking the peppers down, and Zaim is going to add the scallions that were cut 2 inches. Go ahead, add them in. Great job. I love all these colors together. It's just so pretty. Zaim, can you add the zucchini? Thank you. I'm going to add the beef to the pan with the spaghetti and peppers. And maybe just like a half of the remaining sauce, not all of it. So I didn't use all of the sauce because I wanted to preserve the coloring of the dish with the greens and the reds and yellow. And also, we're gonna add soy sauce to the top of a dish once it's complete. So the low sodium with the ginger. So I'm just cooking it down for just maybe 2 more minutes. And then we're gonna add the low sodium soy sauce ginger mixture and then top it with the scallions once plated. So we're almost done. So now I'm gonna add the mixture. Actually, Z is gonna add it. Add the soy sauce in. Good job. Does it smell good, Zaim?
Yes.
All right. I can't wait for you to taste it. Okay, so it's ready to plate. So the dish is almost complete. We're just gonna add a little bit of scallions, the ones that we finally cut, and just top the dish with it. Awesome, Z, looks great. So the dish is complete, and I would love to get a review from Z. Can you try it, Z?
Sure, Mom.
All right. do you think?
Yeah.
It's great.
All right. If you like this recipe, click the I like button. If you made this recipe, click on I made it and post a photo of your own dish. I would love to see them. Until next time, later.